Hi, welcome to the Shed. In this episode, we're going to talk about tetrachords for flat keys. Now, a tetrachord is a 4-note scale that follows this interval formula. So if you start on any note and you go up a whole step, another whole step, and then a half step, you have created a tetrachord. And you can listen to what that sounds like. You can hear the tendency from this note right here going up to that last note. We call it the tendency or the leading tone. Now we're going to be spelling these for flat keys, and we're going to follow the order of fourths for flat keys. So it's C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, and C flat. Now if you follow that pattern, there are some rules that you can use to help you spell these. So rule number 1 is that the last note becomes the new flat, and rule number 2 is that the last note is the next key. So let's start spelling. So we have C, up a whole step to D, up another whole step to E, and then a half step to F. Now, F is our last note that becomes the new note of the next key. So we have F, G, whole, and then a half. Now that is our new flat. It's B flat. It's also the first note in our next key. B flat, C, D, and E flat. New flat right there. E flat becomes the first note in our next key. E flat, F, G, new flat, A flat. A flat becomes our next key. So we have A flat, B flat, C, and D flat. There's a new flat, and that's also our next key. We have D flat, E flat, F, and G flat. G flat becomes our next key. We have G flat, A flat, B flat, and new flat right here we have C flat, which is our next key. So we have C flat, D flat, E flat, and F flat. Now, if we look at all of our flat tetrachords, we can find some similarities and differences. Practice this on your instrument. Practice saying it. Practice singing it. Good luck, and we'll see you in the shed.